We at Lordhair offer a hair system repair service starting at just $99, which can save you hundreds over the years. Now, we'd like to lay out a few guidelines on which hair systems can be repaired and which cannot. The biggest guideline relates to the strength of the remaining hair on the system. Now, if there are patches of hair missing here and there, that's not a problem. As long as when you tug on the hair doesn't come out very easily. As you can see, with this hair system, hair does come out too easily. This often happens with hair systems that are fully bleached knots. If there are just bleach knots on the front, it can usually be repaired, but if there are bleach knots all over the system, the hairs tend to come out too easily as the system ages. Another guideline is relating to the amount of hair that is left on the system. If most of the hair on the system is gone, it really isn't a system worth repairing. We can also replace the entire front part of a hair system if it's damaged, and if there are small tears in the system, we can repair those as well. Now, if you're interested in having your hair system repaired, you can contact us at support@lordhair.com. Or you can visit our website, www.lordhair.com, and click on the Repair tab.
Lordhair, for a better you.